House flipper. Alam mo, pag gusto ko mag-de-stress from everything, from school, from life. Ito lang nilalaro ko. Parang for me, it's just like very relaxing na nagbe-build ka ng sarili mong bahay or like cleaning stuff. I don't know. I mean, what do you guys think? Kayo din ba? Ganon. Actually, yeah. So, I have a lot of progress here already. So, siguro, I'm just gonna continue. I streamed this before. I streamed it when this pa lang, yung ganito pa lang yung bahay ko. Pero I think my progression na very small lang naman. Ganyan pa rin kaliit pero may decoration na. I think yun. Okay, okay. May decoration na siya, guys. Let's see. Oh, it's been a while since I've played this game. Tagal-tagal na din eh. Parang, I don't know, like 6 months, I think. More than that. So, yeah, ito lang yung bahay ko. Maliit pa lang siya. Lit-lit ng bahay ko. Di ko nga alam paano i-palakihin eh. Pero, sige. Let's see. Ayun. Paano ba lumabas? Oh, okay, never mind. Okay, okay. So, this is my whole lot. So, plano ko like, while we play this from time to time, dapat ma-progress din natin yung bahay ko, you know. So, para may progression naman. So, ngayon, magkano ba pera ko? Paano nga mag-open ng stuff? I forgot na ba? Tab. Open yung tab para ma-open yung shop. Alright. Let's see. Ano bang, actually, wala akong magagawa. Like, my room is so small na hindi na ako makalagay ng other stuff. I need to like expand it somehow, but I don't know how. How do I do it? Okay, let me try figure it out for now. Um, ano ba? Ito mayroon ako, ano to? Upgrades. Okay, di ba ang dami ko ng upgrades? Meron akong, ang dami akong upgrades for cleaning. Tingnan natin yung ano ko, yung progression dito. Alam ko madami ako natapos na work eh. Ito. See? Dami ako natapos na work. Ang last stream ko parang, yung first stream ko nito, no. Yeah. I think na-stream ko na to na game 3 times. I think this is the third time. So yeah, sa 2 streams na yon, but actually I also played like outside. Kaya, alam, ayun yung sabi ko, pag nasa-stress from ACADS and stuff, ito lang nilalaro ko. Kaya ayun, tinatapos ko yun from time to time. Pero for now, ano bang pwede natin magawa? Mamaya ka na. Wait lang ha, gusto ko malaman paano mag-expand ng room. Paano ba mag-expand ng room? Okay, sige. Ano muna tayo, magtrabaho para magkapera. Dami ko lang ang pera, $121,000. I wish it's IRL, bro. Like, IRL yan, I will retire. Wait, how much is it in Philippine peso? Hold on. I think 59 daw eh, sabi ni ano. All-time low, sabi nung news. All-time low, 59 pesos at the moment. Kaya, 0.38 times 59. I'm not sure exactly, but it's around 59. Diba, 7 million? Pwede na yan for ano, for a few years. Joke lang. Kaya na yan for like a decade, I think. Pero siguro sa living expenses ko, baka ano lang siya. Baka a few years lang. Baka kasi pag nagkahawak ako ng ganung pera, alam mo na yan. Kahit saan na lang, saan mo gagasto. So, okay. Tara. I wanna start playing. Ano tong browse? Wait. I think, wait. I did, okay. Naalala ko na. Bumili ako ng isang condo unit na ini-arrange ko for 99K. Kaya, ako nagkapera. Okay. Should I just buy like a better house and then start from there? Asan ko ba gusto? I don't like a neighborhood. I'm more of a city guy. So, I don't like mga ganito. Gusto ko yung mga ganito, yung parang office, I don't know, yung parang condo unit lang. Or ito, underwater. That's very cool. Hmm. Hmm. Think. Let's think. Um, Wala na bang condo unit dito? Bakit last time parang ito Cyberpunk? Nabili ko na yan ni Hacker Loft. Wala na bang iba? Ito na lang. Mahal ha? O sige. Sige na nga. Ito na lang. Ito yung ating agenda for today. Bibilhin ko to, then yeah, I will renovate it, and then sell it again. Or maybe, I don't know. Should I sell it? Nah. Let's see. Okay. 2 floors, 7 rooms. Ang dami naman. Grabe. Ito ba? Or yung other one? Wait lang ha. A room for enhancements. New Year, new me. um, New Year, new me. Ang ganda na, alam mo ito yung parang dream house ko, yung may mga lights, pero alam ko mahal yan sa kuryente, so never mind. Gusto ko ng mga ganyan, yung alam mo yung mga furniture mo or like yung mga edges, yung mga corners ng mga areas ng house mo parang nagla-light up lang. I don't know, very cool for me. Ito ba? Sige na nga, ito na. I'll buy this. I'll be broke after this, bro. Like, I'll be broke. Okay, fine. Ah, Yan, nabili ko na. Ang bilis! 5K na lang. 5K na lang pera ko. What the hell? What the helly? Go to the house. Okay. Room for enhancement. Alright, I'll go to the house. Ba't hindi ko marinig yung may background music ba tong game na to? Hold on, guys. I wanna hear some background music. Ako lang naririnig ko this whole time. Yun! Naririnig ko na. Okay, okay. Whoa. So, ito, clean up the my garden. So, ano to, condo unit? Yeah, I believe it's still a condo unit. Pwede ko ba i-open to? Yes! Whoa, it's very Metropolis vibe, no? Alam mo yun yung mga cyberpunk stuff. Ang ganda. Ito, yung parang feel ko ganito yung mga city natin in the future. Parang lahat nag-iilaw-ilaw. Although, of course, may mga areas na din atang ganito. Pero very cool, no? Wow. Okay, open natin yung windows muna para naman maganda yung view natin while naglilinis, 'di ba? Ang dilim. Pwede ba baka sa ilaw, baka may ilaw nga na need ko i-on. Ito ba? Wait, anong tina-turn on ko? Ayan lang. What the hell? What the hell? Asan ang lights dito? Ito ba? Wait, asan ang lights dito? Saglit lang, mamaya ako maglilinis. Kailangan ko ng ilaw, dilim-dilim. Ito. Dito yan eh. Sa taas? Ito. Ayun! Okay. Okay. Okay, turn on natin. Wala naman atang kuryente dito, no? So, hayaan ko na. Oh. Oh, it's a... Oh! Oh! Motion sensor. Very high-tech. Oh! Lahat motion sensor. Angas naman. Grabe. Wow. Sana ganito na lang yung totoong bahay ko. Walang pake pag ganito kalat. Basta may bahay lang akong ganito. Okay, it's cleaning time. It's cleaning time. Dapat may background music na. Yan. Para chill lang. Sana, naririnig nyo ba? Hindi ko alam eh. Hello? Yan. Para chill lang. Sana, naririnig nyo ba? Hello? I think naririnig siya. Okay. Inaan ko lang para... Okay. Let's go. Tara. Let's start cleaning this house. Paano nga to? Ang hawakan. I can throw this out. What is this? I don't know what's a trash or not, bro. If ako to, like, if bahay ko to, tatawag mo ko lahat, legit. Kahit yung mga Kahit yung mga like dish, yung mga cups pero like pwede pag magamit pero like madumi. Tatapon ko na lang. Sorry, sorry, sorry. Ito oh, kunyari ganyan. Kung madumi yan, I'll just throw it out. Bro. Bro, if I'm this rich, I have like 5K kung converted yan sa Philippine peso, bro. Bibili na ako ng new cup sa ano, sa sa Quiapo or ano ba yung Divisoria, 'di ba? Mas maganda pa doon, mas mura pa. Hindi malinis na, 'di ba? Ano to? Why am I throwing random stuff? Hold on. Okay. Turn the light on. Okay, I want the light on. Books. Okay. Ang dilim talaga! What the hell? Ba't ang dilim? Pwede like, ba't okay, I need to buy like different lights. I wanna... ano ba dapat? Ano ba magandang design? Ano to? Is this like a dirt? It's not a dirt. Para reflection na ata yan eh. Tiling and okay. Let's see. Ano to? Pwede ito on. Ayun, yun pala yung magandang yun sa baba pala. Ay, ilaw kaya dito? Baka ilaw to, hindi ko lang alam. Pero ang ganda ng view. Alam mo, ganito talaga yung vibe na gusto ko. Pero, yeah. Maybe some of you guys or kung sino mo yung mga mahilig sa mga quiet lang. Ako gusto yung maingay yung background. Joke lang. Yung mga city life, pero wala eh. Ganda. Okay. Throw this out. Throw everything. Oh my God. Pag ako naglilinis like sa bahay or like sa ano ko, sa place ko, pag like if I really want a thorough cleaning, ilalabas ko lahat ng gamit ko like sa labas. Sa labas ng door, walang pake. Basta lahat ng gamit ko sa labas. Legit parang kang nagmo-move in era niyan. Parang lahat ng gamit mo na sa labas and then I'll organize it one by one. Ganun ako maglinis before. I mean hanggang ngayon naman dito sa ano sa place. Nilalabas ko lahat. My God. Oh, okay. Ba't hindi ito natapos? This is expired. Kakabili ko lang ng bahay tapos may mga unopened cans. I'll assume it's expired na. Dapat expired na to. Dapat tinatapon na yan. Okay. Linis. Come on and clean up here. Ano to? Ano to? Like may mga comments sa left side ko. Room count. Pag ibebenta ko to, how much? Ay, wow. Wait. Pwede ko i-click. Okay. Nope. Eh? Ay! Automatic pala yun. Hala, na-scam ako dun ah. Wala na, GG. Wala na akong pera. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh wow. Good CR ko. Na-scam ako dun. So, pwede ko pala... Alam mo, may na-discover. May infinite money glitch dito. Pero, of course, gusto natin maganda yung ina-offer natin. Para ano, para you know, we have a quality service na ina-offer, di ba? dapat malinis and then na-organize natin lahat before natin ibebenta para like okay, ano sir, I want my house clean, 'di ba? Ang tawag doon, yung mga I forgot the term. Yung yung pag bibili ka ng something tapos flip ba 'yan? House flip? I don't know, I forgot. Yeah, of course the game is house flipper. Yeah, basically it's house flipper, but I think may another term I'm not sure lang. Tatapon ba to? Ano ba to? Ba't may tinatapon yan? Ano to? Newspaper? Newspaper to? Or like, ano to? Pwede like, paano ko makita kung ano to? I'll sell stuff that I don't know. That's $7. Oh my god, ibebenta ko to lahat. Actually, not lahat. Pero most of it. Yung mga cups. Ito yun! Yes! Hindi ko na siya tatapon. At least mabenta ko na siya, diba? I don't like the fridge. It's very old. Pwede ba like palitan kita? Yes. Ang old ng mga cabinets. Pwede ba ito palitan? Like, pwede naman si... Ano yun? Oh! Never mind. Wag natin silang palitan. Whoa! Okay, ano ako, oh my god. Wait, paano yan? Paano yan? Oh! Oh! Okay. Okay. May mga laman ba? Wala naman siguro, no? Parang ang pangit ng tiles. Pwede ba like, nilinisan ko naman. Parang pangit pa din. Wala na. Okay. So, this house, this part is good. Need ko ata bilhan ng ano. You know what? I'll sell stuff. This one. This one. I guess these books, I don't need them, you know, like, but sila sa floor at in the first place, diba? E di dapat bebenta na yan sila. Magkakapera pa ako, diba? Tinan mo, na-scam nga ako ng $3,000. Ano to? Kailangan ko ba ito linisan? Dirt ba to? Yes, it's a dirt. What do I do? Oh, ano to? Oh, it's a trash. Never mind. Okay. Pero ano? Paano ba to? Wait lang. Cleaning. Okay. Hindi bagay yung furniture, no? Parang, you know what? I'll sell these. It's not bagay. I don't even know what these are, but I'll sell them. Sorry. Wait lang. Naman ako water, guys. Salita ko ng salita. Wala naman ako kausap. Joke lang. Selling this. Of course, 'di ba? Pag mga bahay or mga apartment, dapat may small sense of living. Small sense of living. Small sense of life. Ba dahil kagaya nitong plant. Okay. I think alam mo, ibebenta ko yan. Like, you don't need to read books. Books are, I'm kidding, guys. You need to read books to learn a lot of things, diba? Nice. Pangit naman yan. Bye. Oh, trash. Trash pala yun. Okay. I don't know, bagay ba sila? I think bagay naman sila. Okay. The painting, I'll keep it. Okay. Pero parang kulang. Dapat may painting din dito. Okay. Itong, you're breathtaking. I don't like it. The cabinet, I like the bed. I like likey. But this one, nope. Your setup is fine. But I'll sell these and this. I'll keep those. Oh, very fancy. I like it. I'm liking it. Paano magkaganito, guys? Sino marunong like gumawa niyan in real life? Like, I want. Yung ano lang, yung LED lang, yung mahal ba yan? Feel ko mahal yan sa kuryente or battery. Ay, gagi. Ay, sorry. Ayun, may ilaw pala. Yan. Pero, okay. Kasasabi ko lang. Sensor na naman eh. Pero sige. Alam mo, pwede ko na ba ito ibenta? How much ba to? How much ko na ito ibenta? Parang okay na ako dito. Pwede ko na ba ito ibenta? I'll sell it. Wait, actually, hindi ko pa nalinis yung labas. Hold on. May labas pa to eh. You know what? Since ibebenta ko siya, I don't like pala. I mean, I like the view, pero ang laki. Ayoko ng ganitong, I don't know, I like a different space. Medyo ano kasi ako, anong tawag doon? Like, may phobia ako with big spaces. I forgot. Sa, opposite ng claustrophobia. Claustrophobia? Yeah. I leave that thing. I leave those things. Ano pa ba? Ganun naman nito. Pero pang, ay gagi, pwede ba, oh my god, pwede ba like, ala, nabenta ko, GG. Wala na. Wala na, sinira ko na everything. Alam mo, ipantay ko na lang. At least, ayan. I think that's fine. Pero ang ganda pa din nun. Pwede ba bumili? Like, how much? Wait lang. I need that back. Um, what's this called? Glass walls. All. Cyberpunk. Hala! Hala, wala siya sa akin. Ay! Ay, alam ko na. 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 Na 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 na. Alam ko na. Alam ko na. Let's make this black wood. Tapos... Oh. Whoa! Okay. I think I like that better. Yeah. 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 You know what? Yeah. Paano ba umakit? Pwede ba? Oh my god. Yan. I'm gonna sell those and build what? Paano ba like, paano ako maka-shift? Paano ko malalagyan yung taas? Like, hello? Like, paano ako aakit dyan? Turn on F. Oh my god, may flashlight pala ako. Basa-basa kasi. Ayan kasi. Yan. Yan kasi napapala na hindi nagbabasa. Pero ang ganda nito. Yan. Guys, I like it better when I'm sorry, makapirate ako dyan. Tararara. Papapam-pam. Yan. Ang pangit. Wait lang. Ba't parang hindi pantay? Ba't parang ano? Ba't parang, what is this? Parang baliktad pala. Okay, baliktad. Yan. What the Oh, joke lang. Hindi pa pala tapos. Kala ko ang pangit eh. Okay na. Hello guys. Welcome. Are you guys English speakers? Because I can speak English as well. But just tell me what you guys think. What you guys think of this game? It's very cool, you know. Like it's just a chill game. You're trying to build your home and stuff. Yeah, I just bought this unit, so like I'm trying to renovate it right now, and I'm gonna sell it afterwards. You know, just to sell it to get some money. Yeah, you know, we like that shit. You know, I'm gonna sell everything. Okay, I don't care. I'm gonna sell everything, and then I'm gonna sell it as it is, and then what is that? I don't even know what that is. Those are circuits. I think I just ruined the essence of this this cyberpunk, but I don't care. I'm gonna sell it. I do like the view, but I am still gonna sell it. I like the view. Like it. Whoa, is that a car? Oh, okay. Sana like pwede ka lumabas, no? Like, I don't know, it would be nice, I think. Ah, I'm gonna keep the bathroom because it's nice. So, balik tayo sa taas. Tapos tayo dito. Go up to the garden. Okay. May garden pala to. Wow. Wait, ano to? Huh? Wait, I'm confused. Wait, I'm confused. Oh, ito yung job. Okay. What a lovely home it is. Very lovely home. Um, bro, wala nang need i-change the, oh, ito pala. Ooh, what is this? Shared bedroom means a lot more space. In addition, it will strengthen brotherly bonds. Separate their boys. How old are they? Is the question. I'll huh. I'm more of a private person, so like I want a private room, because I can't enjoy my me time, my animes and gaming if I'm with someone who's bothering me all the time, diba, diba, diba. So let's go. I'm on the father side. I'm with the father side here. Yes. Separate room it is. So I need to sell objects. So sell this. Sell everything. Ceiling fan. Old computer mouse. Where is it? Keyboard, old TV, artist's nook desk. Is this one? Ito. Ito. Ito fan. Ceiling lamp. What's the ceiling? This one. Aryan metal chest of drawers. Aryan metal chest of drawers. Ito. Love shelf. Parang pangit ang love. Oh, this one? Ah, cute barrel. It's not ideal for the two boys. Not because they can't be like that, okay? Dahil ano lang. Dahil of course they need to build their room by what they want, okay? We cannot define what they want. Paano ba to? Paano destroy ang walls? Demolition. Ano ba? When using hammer or building walls tools, you can use the E button to highlight walls. Okay. Anong? Oh. Okay, how do I like? Ito yung need ko destroy kasi gawa natin ang door. I think that's how it works. Yan. Okay. I think okay na yan. Ito. Oh. Wait lang. Yun. Okay na. I think so. I think it will just disappear. Okay, so I need to build walls here. So, sabi dito daw. Brick ba talaga? Brick, no? Parang US-based talaga yung bahay. Anyways. Yan. Brick. I mean, is there rendition of hollow blocks? Or tayo yung rendition natin yung hollow blocks? Sa kanila bricks. Contractor na contractor, no? Okay. Paint with the colors light IUC. Light IUC. I want painting walls. Light something. Light. Ano yan? Light walls. Light something. Light IUC. Ano color nun? Light A IUC. Light A Eosine. I don't know how to pronounce that, bro. Light. Okay. Ito. I'll buy a medium. Then let me paint it. Paint it. Baka like, kaya pala separate. Okay, mas better. Kasi girl, I think it's a girl. Oh no, sabi 2 boys eh. Bonding. Paint. Ito yung whole thing ata. Yeah, whole thing. Parang kulang yung paint na pinili. Alam mo ang chill lang nito, no? Like, what if ito yung job mo in real? It's tiring, pero like, you know, you're just chilling. You just need to finish your You just need to do this every day. For me, it's chill. Pero feel ko hindi siya ganito ka-chill in real life. Feel ko stressful siya. Yan, naiwan na. It's girl's bed. Sabi kanina brotherly bonding ba siya? Hindi ko na maalala. Aspaloon girl's bed. So, girl nga talaga dito. Okay. Aspaloon. What's it? Aspaloon. Okay. Ooh, what kind of color does she want? I-match ko na lang sa wall. And then, I think white bed sheet. Oh no, yan din. Dapat ganyan din. And then, yung, anong color maganda? White, di ba? I think, let's see. Should we go with this? I like it. I like this. I'm not saying na pink is for, for girls only, ha. You can do blue, pero, lang. It's nice. Ito, nice. Nice din to. Wait, it's not, yan. It's not the same. I think, let's go with white, no? It's better than white. Yeah. Ang mahal naman ng bed na to. Sana like, okay, fine. Anyways. Saan ko ilalagay ito? Wait, how do I like, rotate it? Like, okay, ayun. Yeah. Ang liit talaga, legit. Parang ang sikip ng niya, room. Dapat ganyan yung, di ba sabi like, sa yung pamahiin, bawal iharap yung bed sa door. So like, how can we like, okay, I'll try to like, okay, fine, like, wala nang pake. Anyways. Saan ba mas maganda ilagay ang bed? Dito, di ba? Dito na. Yeah. I think dito. Wait lang i-move ko nga yung mo. Pwede like dyan para ma-move ko. Yan. Ay. Wait lang. Yan. Is it nice? What the hell is not pantay? It's not giving. Yan. Tama ba? Wow. Ba't ganyan? Ba't hindi pantay? Wait lang. Yan. Hindi ba talaga siya pantay? Like, ayan. Hindi ko nagigets. Hindi siya pantay. Hindi talaga siya pantay. Oh? Ayan na yung pinakapantay niya. And that's not, what the hell? Okay, alam ko na. Ayoko. Alam mo, mas maganda if like yung bed mo nakaharap sa window. So like, dapat ganyan. Para fresh air. Yan, pantay na. Okay, baka may something lang talaga. So, Fenrir wardrobe. Fenrir wardrobe. Light. Mahal! Pero white, no? Kasi white na yung pattern natin. White wood. Tapos, white din yung... Ito ba? Need natin like... Ito, para like same siya sa walls and stuff. Wait, paano ko ba i-ano to? Dapat white. Pwede ba like... naiinis ako sa ano? Sa rotation. Yan. Wala ba ibang color? Ito lang. Alam mo, pangit. Pangit siya. But if white, yan na lang. All, ano. Ayan. I think better. Try ko nga. Oh my god. It's not giving. Pwede ba like, binili ko na ba? Di pa naman siguro, no? Okay. Ang pangit. Ba't lang wala pang iba? Fenrir wardrobe. Ayun. Fenrir wardrobe. Yan. Ito ba yung kanina? Parang same to siya. Ito na, may choices na. Ito ata yung color ng bed. Ito ba? I think ito eh. Ang pink. Parang parang hindi siya same. Ito na lang. Hindi din siya same. Pass. Balik. Ito. Ang pangit. What the hell? Ito? What the hell? Ang pangit. Oh my god. Okay, white na lang. Ito, mas lighter. Pwede ba i-change ko yung bed? Like, yung color? Para ano? Parang ang ano? Yan. Maganda, okay naman siya. Dito pa lang. Yan. Pero dapat i-change that. Pwede ba i-change to? Isal ko to Or like, sorry, isal kita. Aspaloon Girls Bed. Choosy na ako. Aspaloon Girls Bed. Para na akong tawag niyan, interior designer. Ito dapat yung yan. And then, I think okay na to. Ito yung white. Gray, hindi siya gray. Ito. Ayan, ka-color sila. Yan, dapat yan. Yan. Hindi ko malagay, ha? Yan. Taran! Ha! You know what? The color isn't giving. Selling it. Last na talaga to. think same na. Yan, dapat ganyan. Nice. Okay, mime bedside cabinet. Mime bedside cabinet. Mime bedside cabinet. Okay, ano yung gray naman? Gray beach. Gray, yes. I guess so. I guess that's fine. Alright. Yan lang. At saan ito nilalagay dito? Weird. Very weird. Mimi light colored desk. Mimi light colored desk. What? Mimi light colored. Mimi light colored desk. Ayan. Mimi light colored desk. And then let's customize it sa color ng light gray. Ito dito. Gray. Gray ba ito? White wood? Yan, white wood na. Yan, ang ganda. I think kasha dito. Yeah, kasha dito. Yan. Yan. Light colored office chair. Light colored office chair. Okay. Light colored office chair. Wait, wala ibang color. Ito lang eh. Ito na lang, light gray. Para at least matchy-matchy. Oh my god, it's not... Wait lang. Wala ba talagang pastel? Ito. I guess that's fine. Yeah, sal kita. Ito na lang. Yan. Yeah. Okay, fine. Desk lamp. Ito na yan. Okay, fine. Ganyan yung desk lamp. Okay. Acanthum table lamp. Acanthum. May desk lamp na nga eh. Acanthum. Tapos may ano pa. May desk light. May desk light pa. Weird. Pero ang ganda ng ano. Dito ko na ilagay. Yan. Ang ganda ng ano. Tawag niyan. Ano ba sasabihin ko? Nakalimutan ko na. What was I trying to say? I forgot na. Ganda ng what? Oh my god. Nawala sa isip ko. Anyways. Tip. Oh, I can sit down. Paano mag-alis? Triplicata chandelier. Triplicata chandelier. Triplicata. Okay. Ito gray. Wow, ang cute ng mga ano nila, furniture. I think yun yung gusto ko sabihin. Ang cute ng mga ano nila. Ng mga built-in stuff nila. Tapos automatic pa yan, nakakonect sa lights. Wow! Oh, I'm liking this. Alright. Oh, naka-ano din siya. Ano tawag yung sensor. Alright, Mal bookcase. Tagal ko mag ano, naka ilang hours, ayun, ito pala. 50 minutes pa lang tayo nag-stream, guys. Gumagawa lang ako ng isang bahay. Nauubos ko na. Cal wooden something. Cal wooden. Ito. Let's make it gray. Kasi gray yung... I think that's fine. Alright. Whoa! Okay. This is cool. Tingin ko ba pwede ito ilagay? Dito ba? Hindi siya kasha eh. I think maganda... Oh. Ang sikip na. Parang feel ko hindi efficient yung pagka-setup ko. Parang hindi siya efficient. Let's see. Ngayon ba? Okay lang. Pwede ba mag-crouch dito? Ayun. Pwede ba mag-crouch? Ayan. Okay, mamaya. Remar light colored chest. Remar light colored chest. Remar light colored chest. Pastel colors, white handles, white wood. And $70, but it's fine. Dito natin ilagay. Sikip na. O dito na yan. Sakto lang. Parang babangga. If ako tong babangga to. Alam mo, ililipat ko to. Sila, like, wait lang ha. Yan. Ito dapat, I think yan yung opening. So, tapos, asan na yung Ala, saan na yun? Ala, yung shelf. Paano ba yun? Yung table lamp pala. Saan ba napupunta pag like... Ito. Ay, may ganun pala. What the... Okay. Pwede ko na pala Pwede ko na pala like na lang doon. Tapos no need to Okay naman. Alam ko na paano. I know now, guys. I know now. Bear with me. I know how to fix it. Gray ba? White? I think white. Maganda. Yan. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. Ano pa ba? So, dito na lang ako magbe-base. Ito. Ang cute! Very cute! What the hell? Ala, ang cute. Ay, ang laki. Wait lang. Pwede ba like, yan na lang? Ay, hala, pangit. Wait lang. Ang ganda, ang cute. Wait lang. Kasi ito lalagay. Ang laki. Hold on. I like the paintings. I could have put a painting here. Pwede naman dito. Diba? Dito ba? Dito siguro na? Yan. Tapos isa sa likod ng bed ko. So ito na lang. Yung cute na cat. Medium. Yan. Parang bedside. And then to rotate. Ay, pangit. Ito mas cute. Yan. Hello, ang cute. What the hell? Ay, oh my god. Pwede ba ganito lang din yung like, pwede ko i-ganito like yung real bahay. Tapos, gamit ng infinite money glitch. Oh my god. Okay, dito na tayo sa... Wait lang. Paano ba ito Pwede mo ito isel? Ay, pwede nga isel. Ano ba pwede kong mga isel? Ito ba? Paano ko ba malalaman ang mga pangalan ng mga item na to? Is it like showing up somewhere that I just don't know? Ano ba to? We're not playing Thieves Simulator. Okay, bro. Okay, gotcha. Dito na tayo. Build the upper walls. Build upper walls. Ito. Paano ba to? Ayan. Ayan, palay. Okay. Painting. Ano bang gusto niyang Horizon and Milky Way? Alright. I got you, bro. I got you. Medium lang tayo. Ang dilim na. On na natin yung flashlight. Kasi ang dilim. Grabe, overtime ako dito ah. Pam, 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 pam. Pam, 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 pam. I like the background music. Um, alright. Alright. Wait, should I color the a roof as well? Yeah, I think that's no, parang maganda ba? Well, I think ano ba ginawa? Ay, oh, yeah, white lang no. Yeah, white lang dapat. White lang. Okay. Okay, white lang. Pero pangit ang placement ng ano. Pwede ba i-move yung windows? I don't like the placement of the windows eh. No? 'Di ba? Kasi parang dito, hindi okay lang pala pantay lang. Hindi nga hindi nga pantay eh. Pwede ba i-sell yung window? We're not playing the... Bro, I'm trying to replace it. Bro, bahala kayo dyan. Bahay niya naman. Bahala kayo. Heis. Launya. Okay na, okay na. Heis. Launya Inter. Ano magandang door? White. White wood. Ito, glass. Ang pangit ng glass. Tas room. No. No, bro. No. Spruce. Yan ba? Pangit. Wait lang nga. Balik tayo dun, be. Spruce. I like spruce. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, yeah. So, how does this work, bro? Like, dapat ba like, um, ano ba dapat? Ganyan. Am I baliktad? I think, ano ba? How does it work? Like, um, ang mas malayo is yung sa labas. Okay. So, ganyan. Yan. Yan. Okay. So, palitan yung door. Pwede ba palitan yung door mo? Kasi ang pangit. Joke lang. Pwede ba like white yung door mo? I shouldn't do this. Bro, I just want to change. Bakit ba? Guys, I'm your contractor. You should listen to me, no? Orion's border. Okay. Ayaw nila makinig, guys. Edi wag. Hayaan ko na. Sige, sige. Ito naman sila mapiplease eh. Blue. I want a blue. Okay, ako bahala dito. I'll make it like it's mine. Blue and then white. Wala bang gray wood. Gray wood ang mas better. Okay. Ha! Actually, ayaw ko pala. Gusto ko ng white. Yan. Para same doon. White tayo. And then, ilalagay ko yung... Ang laki ng bed ko! Or same lang kanina. Parang same lang pala ata. Hindi, ang laki eh. Wait lang ha. Same setup ko ba? Hindi, gawin natin iba. Dito. Yan. Ang laki talaga ng bed niya, legit. 'Di ba? Ay, oo nga, oh. Two pillows, oh. Tinan mo dito, ang dami. Okay. Anyways, mayaman naman sila. Hayaan ko na. Para saan to? Like, where do I put this thing? I'm learning. Is it like, para lang sa floor? Okay, para lang siya sa floor. Wood side. Okay, dito pala siya kasi wood side siya. I mean, bedside. Okay. Alam mo, ang ganda nito. Mas maganda pa to saan? Sa kabilang room. Anyways. Mimi, dark colored. Same lang. Blue. And then, white wood. Yan. Pero ang pangit ng blue. Pwede ba palitan? Pwede ba like, wala ba ibang colored na blue? Like, yan lang. Black. Hindi bagay eh. Sige na nga. Hala, ang pangit. Ang pangit. na lang, dark gray. Dark gray. I think dark... I don't like it. Bakit? Ang pangit. Bro. Bro. Imagine, blue yung ano mo, tapos yung... Pwede ba? Pwede ba like gray? Ito. What if ganyan? Would it fit black and blue? Black and blue? Black and blue? Huh. What do you think? Or black and white? Okay, I'm gonna sell it. Dapat black din to. Wala na eh, white na. Blue and white. Yeah, okay, I'll do that. Blue and white. Okay. Blue and white. Sige. Di ba ano? Kasi walang other varieties. So, sige na nga, I'll let it be. Di ko naman bahay to. White wood. Okay. Dito ko lalagay yung cabinet mo. It's really fun. Ano mo, like, gusto ko, baka, I'm not sure when, pero I'll stream the part 2 of yung dispatch. If you haven't seen the part 1, I posted it on YouTube. Hehe. What here? Ano ba dapat? White wood. I like it. I like it better. No, that's copyrighted. Tapos dapat nakaganito, no? Dapat like ito yung opening. So dapat nakaganyan. So saan ko pwede ito ilagay dito? Wait lang ha, sa gabal tong paint na to. White and whites. Tapos light colored chair. Yes, meron silang light blue. Nababother pa din ako sa color. Pero, sige na. I'll let be. Pangit mo. Sige. Table lamp tube. Pwede ba? Ano ba to? Yan. Wow. Table lamp. Okay. I-on kita. Yun. Hindi ko na need mag-flashlight ata. Buy a desk lamp. But my desk lamp. Okay. Not gonna question what their trippings is. Okay. May may ganyan na. Dapat ilipat na kita dito. Saglit. I'll transfer you to the bedside kasi mas maganda ka dyan. Hello guys. Welcome to the stream. I hope you guys are doing good. Doing better. Just trying to play a what's good? House Flipper. It's very chill game, Very chill lang siya. And you guys want to distress about life and stuff, pwede nyo ito laruin for fun. It's nice. Dito. Yun. So saan ko siya i-on? Paano ko siya i-on? Elegant light switch. Kailangan ko ng light switch. What the hell is this? Okay, I'm selling that. Okay, anyways. Elegant light switch. Okay. Saan dito? Usually, di ba, pag dito yung nilalagay yung light switch. Yeah. Okay. And then, let's turn that on. Di ba automatic? Kakalagay ko lang ng light switch, di ba? Nakakonect agad yung electric wire. Galing ko talaga. Galing kong engineer. Ay, sus. Okay. Yun. Uy, it's not giving. Feel ko pangit ng setup ko. Dapat wait lang Ang pangit ng setup ko. Engineering things. Yes, my door. Ang Pangit nito. Paano ko to i-ano? Wait lang. Let's move things around muna. Ayan na. Ayoko. Asa na yun? Nawala na naman. Kasi ko nilagay yun. Na. Baka na. Wala na. Hindi ko na alam saan yun. T. Inventory. Ay, camera. Ilipat natin tong bed. Gawin natin siyang ganyan. Para may space tayo. Tapos, ito. Dito. Then, ay, wait lang. Alam ko na. Yung yung parang gusto ko gawin sa bahay ko before. Ay, parang, I don't know, one of my, yung yung gawin ko tong, parang side, pero pangit eh. Ganyan. Dapat kasi, ay, dito na lang yan. Pwede naman. Yan. Tapos i-move kita konti. Okay na pala dyan. Then ikaw, kasi dito ka na lang. Ito, ano to? Dito na lang yan. Wala na. Ay, dito na lang yan. Kasi na-move naman to pala, no? Dito na lang yan. Asan yung lamp ko? Saan ba yun? Saan ko makikita yung gamit ko? Nawala na siya. Bahala na. Bibili na lang ako ng bago. Pero, gusto ko yung yan. Ang pangit! Dito na lang. Yan na lang. Yan. Tanan! Galing. Isa na lang. Ano ba kulang ko? Ay, wow! Grabing to. Sige. Sige. Grabing plugging to Plug na plug. Ito. Wow! Pwede ba like, anime? Wala ba anime? Naman? Ayan. Ang pangit. Saglit. Dito na lang. Usually, dyan nilalagay, di ba, yung mga yung mga poster sa taas ng cabinet. I-move kita sa yan. Dapat. Tapos. Yan. Yan. Very nice. Tara. Next, ano pa ba? Uy, tapos na. Tapos na ba job ko dito? Tapos na. And dito, it's done. This one is done. Wala na ba iba? Tapos na din to. Ano bang job description nito? Paano makita? Ito. Ay, okay na. Ay, second floor. Meron pa pala. No. Where's the second floor dito? Hi. Ito CR. Hindi yan. For sure ito. Children's room. Ang dami! My God. Do I need to sell everything? I think so. Sasabihan naman ako na it's not a thief simulator pag hindi ko masell eh. So, hayaan ka na. Ayan o. Sell everything. Ito din ba? I think ito din. Ay, hindi pala. Who do you think I am? We're not playing Thief Simulator, di ba? Sabi ko na. Ito na ba? Yan na ba yung lahat? Sell the teddies? Where's the teddies? Oh, ito. Sell the rectangle carpet. Okay na. Paint with color amethyst. Okay. Amethyst. I like amethyst. What is this? Anyways. Don't tell me pwede ako magluto. If that's possible, that would be like S tier game. You can do everything. Actually, meron din ako house flipper too, pero that's, anyari dito? Ayo? Well, what's the color of amethyst? Yun nga. Parang yung blue yan. Oh, weird. Anyways. Meron din ako house flipper too. Pero next time na yun, pag natapos na natin yung mga stuff dito. Which is forever. Kasi, then ang laro ano yung house flipper too. Mas ano lang din siya, I guess mas more realistic kasi yung trash doon. Hindi siya kagaya dito na parang pipick upin mo lang yung trash. Doon kasi parang may ano talaga, trash bag. So, if ma-fill up na yung trash bag na yun, you need to throw it out. Oh no, I'm lagging. What's happening? Okay, it's back. Ba, 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 ba. Kiwi, are you still there? Are you taking a rest earlier? You should take a rest early today because you just got discharged, right? I am just doing my exams. Oh, okay. Take your time. Enjoy your life. You know, if you just want to have a white noise in the background while you're doing joke lang. White noise na pala ako ngayon. There, go lang. If you want to do your exams while I'm doing this chill game, you know, feel free. Pa, 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 pa. Lay the floor tiles. Dark. How do I do floors? How do I do floors? White noise. Yeah. I need to do. I need to. How do I use tiles? Oh, diretso na siya. Oh, oh, ganyan pala mag-tiles. Wow, basic. Okay, okay. Yan. Wow, bilis. Mount the ball, short, narrow curtain. Okay. Ako mag-assemble. Yippee. 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 Uy, alam mo, pwede na ako maging contractor, guys. What if? What if? Color white lang natin. Kasi maganda ang white. Pangit, hindi siya kasha. Dito pala dapat yan. Okay. Assemble. Avengers? Avengers. Avengers Assemble! Kidding. Are you guys a Marvel fan? I like Marvels. So bear with me. Mount this. White one? Yes. Yes, sir. Dito yan. Maganda yan. Aha. Aha. But parang ano? Parang nabangga siya sa ano tawag niyan? Sa window panel or something. Window panel ba tawag? Dito hindi. Ay, joke. Oo nga. Ay, okay. Ratatosk light bulb. I don't know what color should it be, so I'm gonna go with white wood because I like white wood and then white. Everything is white. Kasi children's bed, no, usually wala lang, parang ang bland naman, pero sige, I'll let it be bland lang tayo for this theme. One, asan ko ito lalagay? Isa lang to, no, isang bed. So dito na lang. At ito na naman yung painting na ano, ay yung paint na sa Gabal sa Buhay. So I'll move you and then discharge. Ano palang diagnosis, final diagnosis and reasons daw? How Tama na. Okay. EF. Okay, pantay na guys. Next is the white then. I like white. I like the color of white. It's chill. It's a Rotatask bedside. One here and one here. Wow, may pa-choice na pala ngayon. Adding an office here away from the children might be the perfect solution for getting silence to work. A bedroom and a relax zone in one. A perfect combination will satisfy everyone. Ito, sorry, nakaside ako palagi sa dad. Kanina pa ako nakaside sa dad. Stream ka na lang ML. Ay! Next time. Isa-set up ko pa yan. Kailangan ko pa i-set up yan kasi mobile. Hala! O sige. Gusto ko mag-stream ng ganun. But for today, let's play this house. Ano pa ba? Hermes. I think there's Hermes. If it's the same as the brand. Dito lang talaga yung powder. What is this? A mime. Okay. Parang hindi na siya send you na ka. Okay. Ooh. I see. Lotus chandelier. Wow, ang cute. Wow. I read it already. Pero okay na tong isa eh. Bakit dalawa? Hindi dalawa. Dito ilagay yung isa. Tapos dito. Lipat kita sa another corner. Yan. Ala, ang cute! Ala! Pero pantay ba? Saglit. I think it's good. Wall-mounted TV. Dito natin nalalagay. Of course. Kung saan yung bed. Dapat nakatayo ako sa bed. Yan. Whoa-ho-ho! Whoa-ho-ho! Okay. For sure, ano to? Silver. White na lang. Okay na yan. Yan. Pero di pa dati. Yan. Pero hindi siya pantay sa bed. Wait lang. Move kita to the right. Okay. Let's what is this? The radio thingy. I'll put you, what is this though? Put it here. Then I'm gonna move the TV up para hindi siya sagad. Then stereo. My heart's a That's a copyrighted song as well. My heart's a stereo, beats for you, so listen close. Hear my thoughts in every go. Whoa. Make me your radio, and turn me up when you feel low. Okay, sobraan na sa kanta. Black lang meron. Bakit? Dapat gray na lang. Pinakamaganda, partner with white, I think. Yan. A couch, TV remote, just left there. Emily chair, diamond crosets. Ito na. Make me your radio, turn me up when you feel low. This melody is meant for you. Okay, baka ma-mute ako dyan. Huwag na. Pam 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 pam. Asa ko ito pa dilagay? I think maganda siya dito. Pero I think bright na masyado. Dito na lang. Sa corner ng room. Diba? Usually dyan nilalagay yung mga lamp. I think isa lang ba? Okay. Isa lang. Wow, ito na yung sabi ko na a sense of life. Sense of life, asan ka pwede ilagay? I guess dito. I'll put one here. And then a different one here. Dito din. Hindi sila pantay. And then, white. Ang laki Dito na lang sa another corner na. Yan. Pero lipat natin to sila kasi it's not TV. Dito ka na lang. And ikaw. Or should I put you? Can I put you here? Yes! I can. Okay. Okay. Wow. May mga viewers ako. Grabe naman. Very supportive. Thank you guys. Okay na ba? I think okay na. I think I'm done. I'm done. Complete the job. Do you have complete the job? You might complete the job for how much ang ginastos ko? Complete. Your project turned out great. What would you say for your own TV show? Wow, I have a TV show. Blah 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 blah. Check out what's new. Dapat pala naglagay ako ng before and after. May 15k na ako. Saan yung yung bahay ko? Sagdan. Okay. Paano ibebenta? Gusto ko ibenta na. How? Yan, sell the house. You bought this place for put on auction. So how much ba dapat? The current budget is So dapat ibebenta ko to na higher. Nagbibid sila. $129? May profit ako. Let's go. I don't mind. I don't care. I think you can stream ML with the mirroring application. What kind of mirroring application? Mirroring. Mirror app? Mirroring. Okay. Ito, cast to speed V and screen mirroring. Okay, try ko kaya. Paano ko ibenta? Wait, how do I sell it? I want to, okay. Ibenta ko sa kanila. Accept offer. There's no place where we can spend time with the whole family. Ano to? Accept offer. Whoa, you know when you're in love, you can't get any sleep because what achievement is this? Wait, wait. Okay, fine. Yay, I'm rich again. 144. Na, ang tagal natin nakatapos ng isang job That was wait, how can I leave? How can I think I can't move. Oh my lord. I can't move. What the hell? What did I do? I can't jump. What the hell did I do? Oh my god. Wait, what did I do? Ah, ayun. Okay. Okay. Well, okay. I guess that's it for now for House Flipper, guys. I'm gonna think about streaming ML. I'll set it up in a bit. I'll think if I'll decide if I want to continue that today. But I'll set it up for now. I'll try to understand how it works, so next time I can stream it. Um, so let's go. What did we do today? Summary. So we sold a house. We sold a house worth 116,000. How much did I buy it for pala? Nag-profit ako ng 16k. Okay, okay. Ito ba yung una kong bahay? How much ko binenta to? Ga... Lugi pala ako doon. Hindi ko napansin. The hell? Lugi ako doon? The hell? Oh well. Madami pa naman tayo pwedeng bilhin dito, guys. Next time, natin to renovate. Yeah, sana no, real life yung money para like maano siya. Ito yung first office. I think alam ko na paano mag-add ng more rooms. So, ito, demolition. Sirain ko lang ito. Pero that's not to it for now. Next time. Ano pa to? Pwede ko lang ba ito yeah, bakit ng bahay ko, no? Ang liit-liit. Laki-laki ng lot pero liit ng bahay ko. So, let's see. Okay. Sige na. Isa-set up ko na. Alright. Thank you guys for watching. That's 1 hour and 37 minutes. I'll try to upload this edited as well. I need to edit it, I think. Kasi may mga copyright stuff. Pero yun. I guess see you guys later.